Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Have you seen the film Barbie yet? Or have you played the phenomenal game Sims and have wanted to live in a room that you designed for yourself? Well, no further ado, today our new product is going to do that for you. Introducing VROOM, to build a room like racing cars. Vroom vroom. Are you curious about our solutions? Well, our member Hal is going to introduce you about the background, about the industry, and about how our solution works.
Thank you, Scott, for the interesting introduction. So as you may know, in terms of the industry breakdown in 2020, the number of SMEs in Australia has reached 2.35 million. Among them, 400,000 SMEs are in construction industry, and that's why we want to focus on this potential market. According to the recent survey in 2022, we found out that Australians love houses like us, because 50% of the participants in that survey say that they have either made a property purchase within the last 2 years or have the intention to buy a house within the next 2 years. But we also found out that the construction industry in Australia is facing a lot of challenge in terms of technological advance. According to the report in 2023 that we have recently found out, the industry demonstrates a low level of technology adoption compared to other markets such as New Zealand, Singapore, and Malaysia. Besides, Australia is facing a significant inflation, which leads to an increase in the construction costs. So, construction companies are seeking a solution which can optimize the budget allocation, especially for the room renovation, which is a high-cost task. Therefore, ladies and gentlemen, we would like to offer you a web-based platform which can release the financial burden for the construction companies. So, our web-based platform will offer a comprehensive tool to simplify and enhance the renovation process. First, the design and visualization features, which allow users to create, customize the room design using our 3D modeling. Second, the product selection and sourcing. We have a vast catalog of construction material which users can select template design from trusted suppliers. The third function is contractor and professional networks. We have a huge network in collaboration with verified constructor, architect, and interior design, which user can view their profile and ask for any assistance. The fourth function is project management and communication. User can now track progress, share updates, and collaborate in real time. The final function is the 24/7 chatbot, which provide assistance to the customer as they navigate and use the tool.
Thank you, Hal, and this is how our solution works. As customers approach the SME with their architectural requirements and preferences, the SME readily employs the cloud-based architectural design generation system. By leveraging the power of this advanced tool, the SME promptly proposes a range of architectural designs based on the specific inputs provided by the customers. These designs are generated with remarkably precision and attention to detail. Once the proposed design is generated, it is then presented to the architect overseeing the project. The architect carefully evaluates the design, ensuring its adherence to industry standards and addressing any specific project requirements. If modifications and adjustments are necessary, the architect collaborates with the SME to make the required changes. This collaborative effort ensures the final design is a perfect reflection of the customer's visions while considering technical feasibility and structural integrity. With the suggested room designs finalized, the customers engage in discussions with the architect, allowing them to dive into the final details and express their preferences for the final product. This collaborative process ensures that the architectural design aligns seamlessly with the customer needs and aspirations, result in a truly exceptional end product. So now, moving to our architect design, our system will be hosted on AWS, ensuring reliable performance and scalability. In terms of the security, we rely on Amazon Cognito, a trusted authentication and user management service that safeguards sensitive customer data. To enhance functionality, we utilize AWS Lambda, which allows us to create efficient and scalable backend functions. For instance, Lambda facilitates seamless data collections and information gathering from customers, while also enabling us to compute features and visual rooms that require renovations, incorporated with common rendering engines. Moreover, we harness the machine learning capabilities offered by the AWS SiteMaker to predict and propose highly efficient architectural models based on the data collected from users. Finally, to ensure efficient data storage and retrieval, we utilize Amazon DynamoDB, a formally managed NoSQL database service, thereby providing a secure and reliable storage solution for our customers.
My part is about the timeline, which is the required period for us to deliver VROOM to the market. The first one is the prototype, in which step we will set up the website, including choosing the domain name, design logo, and set up several pages for the website, such as homepage, product page, and about us page, etc. And the estimated time for this step is 2 weeks only, quite fast. The second one is the fundraising step. In this step, we try to approach the angel investor and post ourselves on GoFunding website in the hope to raise enough funds we need to run the project. This step is assumed to take us like 12 weeks to complete. The third one, which is the longest and the most difficult step, in which we aim to expand the resources to optimize the room designs. This one might take us 24 weeks. The fourth is the testing. This one will be fast, which could be run in 4 weeks only. And the final one, we will come to the step to marketing the product to the SME and get their feedback to develop the product and approaching more customers. So in conclusion, it might take us approximately more than a year to give birth to our product. Is it feasible? Based on the estimation, we rely mostly on the funding and we price ourselves quite low. So in case we survive, we will bring huge benefit to the resident construction communities. And after year 5, we assume to be able to walk on our feet, and at that point, we aim to approach in the whole statistic 200,000 of residential constructions SMEs. How much to give birth to the VROOM? As the table shows, mostly the cost will fall on the marketing fees and the staff wages fee, in which we will try to expand and make the resources incompatible. That's why the fees is so huge on those points. And at least on years 1, we will need around 500,000 to start, and after year 3, we will start to get profit and able to grow.
Although we are aware of our two main competitors on the market, AutoCAD and SketchUp, we ensure that our VROOM AI has some key factors to stand out from the crowd. Firstly, we have an intuitive user experience and interface with a 24/7 chatbot to guide customers through the app. Secondly, we put an emphasis on the team aspect of each project, allowing multiple users to connect and collaborate on a project. Moreover, we have a powerful rendering engine backing up our AI for it to produce high quality photos. Although of that, like many technical things behind, we have a very user-friendly experience within our app, and it ensures that without any practical background knowledge in the field, the customer can still use our AI efficiently. Moreover, we guarantee updates every 3 months to have always new and accessible resources for our customer. And last but not least, collaborations with furniture suppliers like IKEA or Bunnings in Australia. Nothing is perfect, and our VROOM AI has some limitations and risks affecting it along the way. Firstly, data leak and security breach are two inevitable issues along with every AI applications. Moreover, a replacement of the entry-level architects also appear as a problem in our consideration. And thirdly, there's no customer retention for these SMEs. That means that whoever uses our applications have to constantly find new customers in order to create revenue in their business. So what can we mitigate for that? With a data leak and security breach, we try to ensure that within every 3-month update, we have our regular updates and maintenance to the applications. Moreover, it's within our policy to minimize access to the customer's personal projects. Nonetheless, when it comes to jobs and the issues of losing entry-level architects, we know that this is an incentive for other fields and jobs to be created in the future. And I think when provided with our AI, SME are left with the funding to create their own marketing plans to help them create their revenue. Even though this is not our last time meeting each other, we hope that you enjoy our product, VROOM, and our presentation today. This is VROOM from Team The Phour, Scott, Hảo, Team, Vâng. We hope to see you in the finals.